Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about table of content and inserting images into our document, but before starting the tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I am going to add a bunch of text in my document, from which we will be creating a table of content. I will highlight the title and headings in my document, like choosing table of content as a title, and chapter 1 and chapter 2 as a heading 1. Now, I will choose chapter 2.1 and chapter 2.2 as heading 2, which will be the subsection of chapter 2. And again, I will choose chapter 3 and conclusion, both as heading 1. Now I will point the cursor at the place where I want to add table of content and go to insert option at the top of the screen and then go to table of content. Here, we can choose two options: table of content with page number or with links only. I am going to choose with page number. As you can see, we got our table of content with the page number on it. These table of contents are hyperlinks to which we can go to any section of the document by clicking on it. You can also organize the flow of the document by the document outline feature in Google Docs on the right side of the screen. Here you can have all the heading of your document similar to the table of content. You can jump to any part of your document by simply clicking on it, and it will take you to that part. Here I want to add page number. For that, go to insert and click on the page number. Now choose where you want the numbers to go. Here you can see our page number starts with 0. You can set the start number by double-clicking on the number, select option, and click on the page number. A pop-up will show with the properties of page number. Add the started number and click on apply. Now you can see our page starting number has been changed. You can also add header and footer in your document. For that, go to Insert. Then go to Header and Footer. Now choose whether you want to add a header or a footer. Here we are choosing a header. Now enter the text. And your header is successfully added to your document. Now I am going to insert some images to the document from different sources. For that, go to Images icon on the top of the menu bar. Select Upload from Computer. Now choose an image from your files and double-click on the image or click Open. To resize the image, just click on the image and drag the resizing handles. Use sizing handles in the corner to maintain the image look. I am going to change the position of the image from inline to wrap text. This makes the text to wrap around the image and is much easier to move. Or you can also use break text to position the image in a new line. Google Docs also facilitate you to find the image on the web. For that, again go to Insert Image and select Search from the web. Search for the picture. And select any of the picture you like in your search result. Like this, you can simply add images to your document under license of using and modifying the image. You can also add the images from your Google Drive with the Drive and Photos option in the Insert Image list. But for now, we are going to add an image by URL. Enter the image URL and click on Insert. Like this, you can also add an image by using the image URL. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next part of the video. Till then, take care.